All of you will reply in the chat box. So we will wait for everyone, then we will start the class in 2 to 3 minutes. So today is the first class of your batch. Am I audible? Reply in the chat box. Am I audible? Okay. So this is your first class, guys. So please tell me how many of you are beginner here? Then Lakshmi, okay. Veena is also. Suhasini, okay. So many of you are beginner, right? Swaptika is also beginner. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce with some baking tools. Okay, so the very first and the most important thing while you are making anything is this measuring scale. So this is the measuring scale in which we will measure all the ingredients. Okay, this is the measuring scale. You will easily get it on the Amazon or your nearby bakery store. You will get it there. Okay, so with this measuring scale, we will measure all the ingredients, and without measurement, your recipe will not be perfect. Like some students are taking 120 gram. If I'm saying you are taking 125 gram without measuring, so your recipe will not perfect. Okay. Second thing is this hand whisker. This is hand whisker we use for mixing our ingredients. Okay, wet and dry ingredients, whatever we are mixing, we will use this hand whisker. This is a spatula. So we will also use for mixing purpose. These are the different bowls which we will use for mixing our dry ingredient and wet ingredients. This is mold, okay, in which we will make our cake. Then Lakshmi, this class will be in English only. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any doubt while if I'm saying anything, please ask me once. Okay. Or is there any Tamil students? Please help her so that she will understood. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Varsini, please help her if she is having any doubt. And today we are making vanilla sponge and red velvet cupcakes. So we will use this muffins mold for making cupcakes. Okay. So is there anyone who is baking with me? कोई live class में बना रहे हो आप लोग? Is there anyone who is baking with me during the live class? OTG on कर. Lower dot. 180 baking tray निकालो. नहीं निकाला. Is there anyone who is making in live class? Because I have already shared the ingredients. You can do a vino, you can do on video call. You can keep your phone at one place and you can just make whatever I am making here. Many students are making in the live class itself. Okay, Veena, please try to purchase it. So, and all of you, please try to purchase all the things so that you can bake with me during the live class itself. Okay. So all of you be interactive in the class so that the class will be very interesting. Otherwise, you all guys will bore. No issue, Archana. You can purchase it by today or tomorrow and you can start from tomorrow. Okay. Yes, you can ask Avino. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Okay, so we will start making. So first of all, we will start with the red velvet cupcakes. Okay, हम लोग सबसे पहले red velvet cupcake बनाएंगे. So for I have shared the full recipe in which you will be able to make 12 to 13 muffins. Okay. But I am using half recipe. Like if I have shared 150 gram of sugar means I will take 75 gram of sugar. Everything, every ingredients I am taking half. Okay. Refined flour I have shared 80 gram. It means I will take 40 gram. I am using half recipe. If you want, you can also use half recipe as well as the recipe which I have shared in the group. ठीक है? Okay. All of you will reply. Only one or two students are replying. Yes, refined flour means maida. Refined flour means maida. So first of all, we will. So first of all, we will start with taking a bowl. We will take a bowl and we will take curd. Okay. So we will add curd, like 80 gram of curd we will add. 80 gram of curd we will add. You need to take everything in proper measurement. ठीक है? After adding curd, we will add baking soda, that is 1.5 gram. 1 to 1.5 gram of baking soda you can add. After that, we will add baking powder, that is 1 gram. 1 gram of baking powder. And this is the red boost color which I am using. This is the red powder color which we will use for making red velvet cupcakes. Okay, red velvet cupcakes बनाने के लिए आपको ये यूज करना है. You need to use this red boost color for making red velvet cupcake. So we will take a small amount of red velvet. This is boost red color. BUSH. Boost raspberry red color. Okay. Yes, I will send the video later. वीडियो में सेंड करूंगी. नाउ वी विल मिक्स इट वेल. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेना है. And we will keep it aside for fermentation to 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes we will keep it aside first for first fermentation. Now we will measure all the dry ingredients. Okay. So whenever you will measure all the dry ingredients, always you need to sieve it. जब भी आप dry ingredients measure करोगे, हमेशा आपको sieve करना है. ठीक है. So first of all, we will take the refined flour, that is 75 gram. 75 gram of refined flour we will add. Everything you need to proper measure properly. Okay. After that, we will add cocoa powder. That is 10 gram. 10 ग्राम आप कोको पाउडर यूज भी कर सकते हो, स्किप भी कर सकते हो. Okay, what I need to repeat wet ingredients or dry ingredients? We will use gel. Yes, you can use gel as well. Okay, I will repeat. Just wait a minute. Let me complete it. This is vanilla powder. So we will use this vanilla powder. So 1 gram of vanilla powder we will add. Instead of vanilla powder, you can use vanilla essence also. What you want to ask, Avino, please message in the chat box. This is a Peacock brand. You will get it in any bakery. Okay, bakery में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. Avino, if you have any doubt, you can message in the chat box. Now we will sieve it. हम लोग sieve कर लेंगे. And we will keep it aside. Now we will take the wet ingredients and we will add sugar. So 75 gram of sugar we will add. You need to take powder sugar, okay? Powdered sugar you need to take. So you need to take 75 gram of powdered sugar. Red color brand, this is Boost Dry Red color. I will share the picture in the group. Okay. After that, we will add refined oil. That is 40 gram. 40 gram of refined oil we will add. So 40 gram of refined oil we will add. Okay. So we have taken all the ingredients. Please check it once in the recipe. Sugar 75 gram. Now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेना है. So that there will be no any lump. Okay. Okay, Abhinu, I will save the video. You can go. Now we will mix all the dry ingredients. जितने भी dry ingredients हमने लिए थे, we will mix it. मैम रेड कलर केक अगर प्रीमिक्स नहीं है तो बूस्ट रेड कलर, यस बूस्ट रेड कलर डाल करके बना सकते हो आप. Now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेना है. So we will mix it like this. The consistency of batter will be like this. Okay. Now we will take the muffins mold. So this is the muffins mold. We will add this cupcakes liner and we will keep it inside the mold. इस तरह से हम मोल्ड में डाल देंगे. So you need to fill half only. In the cupcakes liner, you need to fill half quantity only. ठीक है. So like this, you need to fill it half. Is there any doubt you can ask, guys? You can use vanilla essence. Vanilla essence use कर सकते हो आप. So if you will use half recipe, you will be able to make 6 muffins. Okay, half recipe में आप 6 muffins बना सकते हो. You can make 6 muffins if you will use half recipe. Yes, this is eggless. I am making in front of you. Okay, so now we will tap it so that there will be no any lump. Okay, and now we will bake it at 180 degree for 25 minutes on the rod. In OT, we will make it at 180 degree for 25 minutes on the rod. If you are baking on gas, please check it after 20 minutes. Okay. Am I audible, guys? Visible है नहीं. Am I visible and audible? Okay. Yes, so let me repeat the recipe once. So for making red velvet cupcakes, what you need to do is you need to take curd. Okay. In curd, you need to mix baking soda, raspberry red color. This is dry red color. You need to add baking soda, baking powder. Okay. And you need to keep it for rest for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you will add refined oil and sugar. Okay. And now you will mix it. In another bowl, you will take all the dry ingredients like refined flour and vanilla powder. If you guys are using vanilla essence, use it in liquid medium. Okay. Now we will mix all the ingredients, both wet and dry ingredients together, and we will take a muffins mold and we will pour the batter in the mold. After that, we will bake it at 180 for 25 minutes on lower rod. Is it clear, guys? How to bake in convection microwave? In convection microwave, keep the temperature 150 you need to keep it for 150 and for those who are baking on gas, like what you need to do, you need to take a pan or karahi or cooker, whatever you want, add some salt or sand inside the cooker, put a stand over that, and then you will put the muffins mold. Okay, if you guys don't have muffin mold, you can use paper cups as well for making that. You can use paper cupcakes for making muffins in the gas. Cover it with the lid and keep your flame on the medium and bake it for 20 minutes. Okay, is it clear? So that was the recipe for red velvet cupcakes. Now we will start making vanilla sponge. We will start making vanilla sponge. Is there anyone who is making vanilla sponge? OTG 9 liter, how much temperature should be set? 180 for 25 minutes. On lower rod. 150 preheating, and how many minutes should be? Preheat 5 minutes on in convection microwave. Then you need to bake it for 20 minutes. Check it after 20 minutes. And let me announce one thing. In this group, there is a student whose name is Gurleen Kaur. She joined today's workshop because she won the giveaway prize. Okay. We have given a giveaway prize to Gurleen Kaur. So you guys also can participate in the giveaway. I will share the details of giveaway after this class in this group. Okay. In that giveaway, you need to go on my Instagram page. You need to do like, share, and comment as well. You need to add 4 to 5 members in this batch. So you will also be the winner of the next giveaway. Okay. Yes, Gurleen, welcome. So now we will start making vanilla sponge. I will share the details after the class. So you guys are enjoying the class or you are feeling boring? Guys, try to purchase all the ingredients. You can see whatever the ingredients I'm using, most of the things are available at your home itself. Like one thing like red color is not available, vanilla powder is not available. Everything will be available at your home, so you can also make it. Right? So try to make it Otherwise, there is no benefit of joining this class. If you will not bake with me during the live class itself, you guys will feel bored. Just you will look me and while making. I think all of you are feeling boring in this class. That's why no one is answering. Jaya, Archana, Dhanlakshmi, Gurleen, Suhasini, Kutu, Jaspreet Kataria, Vinci, Nauteen, Varsini, Sri Varsani, Veena as well. So, how many of you are going to bake after watching the recorded videos? Recorded videos देखने के बाद आप लोग कौन कौन बना रहे हो? How many of you are going to bake after the class? So those whoever will bake after the class, please share the picture with me with feedback. Okay, with feedback, all of you please share the picture so that I can see whether you are learning or not. Okay, Veda, you can bake it tomorrow. Yes, just please you can leave if you have some work. Sorry. Okay, so let's start making vanilla sponge. So for vanilla sponge, we will measure all the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately. So first of all, we will measure all the dry ingredients. सारे dry ingredients हम measure कर लेंगे. So we will take 80 gram of refined flour. 80 ग्राम हमें refined flour ले लेना है. 80 gram of refined flour. After that, we take 1.5 gram of baking soda. 1.5 gram हमें baking soda लेना है. Am I audible and visible, guys? Am I audible? Okay, so sorry guys, due to the network issue, the class got disrupted. Okay. So first of all, we will start making with vanilla sponge. So for vanilla sponge, first of all, we will take dry ingredients. So I have taken refined flour. Okay. Yes, I am explaining. Don't worry. So first of all, we will take the refined flour, that is 80 gram, baking soda 1.5 gram, baking powder 1 gram. That's it. I have taken here. Now we will. Am I voice is breaking? I audible, guys? Just wait for a few minutes, guys. Let me see. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys, now? Is it clear? Okay, so sorry, guys, for disruption. Due to network issue, JioFiber is not working today, so that we are getting disturbed. So let me explain again. I have taken here refined flour 80 gram, 1.5 gram of baking soda, and 1 gram of baking powder. Hi guys, fast. Reply fast.